Hello and welcome to English the Gab Lab. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine lots of drums beating at the same time. Can you feel that vibration in your chest? It's powerful. That's what Ben just experienced on his incredible week off in Spain. Let's listen in as he shares his experience with his colleague Delilah. Let's get started. Morning, Ben. Welcome back. How was your week off?
Morning, Delilah. It was incredible, thanks. To be honest, I've come back feeling very relaxed. I needed it.
I'm glad to hear that. We really missed you at the meetings. It was way too quiet without you.
Oh, really? Sorry about that. However, I've been doing just fine without the meetings myself.
Fair enough. So where did you go? Or did you just stay at home?
No, I went to Spain, down to the south. It was so sunny and everything was just beautiful.
Spain. That's a great trip. What did you do there?
I went to see the Semana Santa processions. It's a very old tradition they hold out in the streets.
Processions? Is there music?
Yeah, but it's a special kind of music. They play the drums, Delilah. The sound is just amazing. Imagine lots of people drumming at the exact same time. Boom, boom, boom.
Is it really loud?
Yeah, it's powerful. But I loved it. You can feel the vibration in your chest, and it's mind-blowing. Even if you aren't religious, the atmosphere is deeply moving.
Wow, I can imagine. Was the city very crowded?
Yeah, the streets were full of people, thousands of people. But everyone was so respectful. They all stay completely silent.
And what about the food? Did you try anything special?
Oh, definitely. I ate a lot of things, and everything was delicious. But my favorite thing was the torrijas. It's basically bread soaked in milk with sugar and cinnamon.
Sugar and cinnamon? That sounds lovely.
It is. It's the typical dessert for that week in Spain. They were so good, I think I ate way too many.
Well, you were on holiday. You deserved it. After everything you've told me, I really want to go to Spain now.
You should definitely go next year, Delilah. It's such a unique experience.
I think I might. Thanks for telling me all about it. I'm so sorry, but I have to go. I have another meeting in 5 minutes.
No worries. See you later. Good luck with the meeting.
Thanks, Ben. Bye.
Bye.
Perfect.
Now, let's review 7 essential phrases from the dialogue. These are perfect for your daily conversations. Let's practice.
How was your week off? Use this when a colleague or friend comes back after a 7-day break, vacation, or holiday. For example, "Hi Ben, welcome back. How was your week off? Did you go to the beach?" "I've been doing just fine without the meetings." This is a bit funny/sarcastic. Use it with friends to say you are happy you didn't have to work or attend boring talks. For example, "To be honest, I've been doing just fine without the meetings. I prefer relaxing on the sofa." Fair enough. Use this phrase to say, "I understand" or "I accept your point." It is perfect when you don't completely agree with someone, but you think their reason is okay or logical. For example, Ben says, "I don't like meetings because they are too long." Delilah answers, "Fair enough, they can be a bit boring sometimes." It's powerful. Use this when something, music, a movie, a speech, has a very strong effect on your emotions. For example, the sound of the drums in Spain is amazing. it's powerful. It's mind-blowing. Use this when something is so incredible or surprising that it is hard to believe. For example, have you seen the new special effects in that movie? It's mind-blowing. The atmosphere is deeply moving. Use this when a place or an event makes you feel very emotional, sad, happy, or inspired. For example, the church was full of candles and silent people. The atmosphere was deeply moving. Was the city very crowded? Use this to ask if there were too many people in a place, like a city, a shop, or a stadium. For example, I want to visit London in December. Was the city very crowded when you went? That was an amazing trip. I really want some torrijas now. But before you go, it's time to test your English. I have 3 quick questions about Ben's holiday. Let's see if you can do it. 1. Where did Ben go for his week off? A. He stayed at home to relax. B. He traveled to the south of Spain. 2. What was the most emotional part of the trip for Ben? A. The sound and vibration of the drums. B. The quiet meetings at the office. 3. What are torrijas? A. A type of spicy meat from Spain. B. A sweet bread with milk, sugar, and cinnamon. Great job! Now don't forget to write your answers in the comments. I'll give you a heart if they are correct. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future lessons. See you in the next video.
Bye!